Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What is up? I hope you're all doing really well. In today's video, I'm gonna show you all what I eat during Ramadan, what I eat for suhoor and what I eat for iftar. So I'm gonna show you guys everything, how this Ramadan I'm actually losing weight instead of gaining weight. Make sure to stick around until the end of this video. So if you want to see how I do this, just keep watching. Currently it is 3 a.m. and this is what I look like. This is my situation with this oily skin and all of that, and this is what I'm doing right now. Binge watching YouTube, but it's time to get up and prepare suhoor for myself. This is basically the meal that's gonna help me stay full for the rest of the day, and this is gonna help me keep this fast. So you want to make sure that this meal is rich in nutrients with carbs and protein and fiber so that it keeps you full and gives you lots and lots of energy. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I eat for my suhoor, which helps me stay energetic for the rest of my day and I don't get hungry or thirsty or tired. So I'm just gonna go downstairs, help my mom and prepare my own food. Here I am taking this bowl out of the oven, and this is my banana oatmeal with honey and almonds. This is my absolute favorite thing to have for suhoor. It is full of good carbs and it keeps you full. It has amazing fibers and it is super good. If you want the recipe to this, I'm gonna put the link in the description box below. I absolutely love eating this for suhoor. You guys should try this. Staying hydrated is super important during Ramadan because our water intake reduces massively and we are spending most of our hours while fasting, not eating or drinking anything. So you want to make sure you keep your water intake in check and drink lots and lots of water. As you all can see, here I have my father and I am secretly recording him and he's making these funny faces. Next up, I take my essential omega-3 tablets, and these smell super funny and fishy, but they're really good for your skin, hair and nails. I take them daily after I have my suhoor meal. After I finish eating and drinking, I make sure I brush my teeth properly because this is super important, and then I go to bed. Oh my god guys, good afternoon. So I literally just woke up. It's 2:30 p.m. and iftar is at 6:45. So I'm gonna show you all what I'm gonna eat for iftar in a few hours. So yeah, so it is almost 5:30 p.m. and I'm about to go help my mom in the kitchen because we have to prepare for our iftar. Iftar is like the breakfast and this is like the most important time of the day. Everyone gets hungry, our energy levels go down. All we can think about is food. So I'm just gonna head to the kitchen, prepare my iftar, help my mom, set the table, then eat. Right now I'm not that hungry, but I'm quite thirsty. So I'm being patient and I'm just gonna quickly prepare my iftar and eat. It is finally iftar time, you guys, and I am super excited that I'm finally able to eat now. This is what my iftar table looks like. I always open my fast with a date because dates are full of antioxidants, fiber, and they give you an instant boost of energy. It is also a part of sunnah, so you want to make sure you have a date first and then go ahead and drink your water. I always make sure to stay hydrated. I have warm water after I have my date because the warm water is going to make sure your body temperature regulates, and instead of having anything cold, I always drink warm water when I open my fast. Then I go ahead with my favorite fruit chaat. The recipe for this mixed fruit salad is down in the description box below, so you want to make sure you check it out. Fruits are really important. They are rich in antioxidants and fiber and they keep you full and make your skin looking fresh and nice and glowy. After I finish eating my fruits, I go and pray. This little prayer breaks not only makes me move, but it also makes space in my stomach so that I can eat my next food properly without feeling too full. So I go ahead and have my boiled eggs after I finish praying. And boiled eggs are a good source of protein. They're gonna keep you full for a very long time. I also put a little bit of hot sauce over my boiled eggs so that I get a little flavor. I love eggs so much. They keep you full and they're super low in calories. Then I keep drinking water because it's gonna make me feel full and help me stay hydrated and help me get rid of toxins and give me a good looking skin. Water also helps you lose weight, so why are you not drinking water, girl? Just drink your water daily. And you know what what time it is? It is coffee time. You guys know how much I love coffee, and coffee actually helps you stay full for a very long time. So I make sure I have my coffee. I'll put the recipe for this coffee in the description box below. After iftar, I just stay awake till suhoor time and then just keep drinking water. And sometimes if I get a little hungry, I might have a protein bar or something, but that's about it. Alright guys, so this right here is what I eat during Ramadan. I hope you all liked today's video and got something. Try not to overeat this month. Try to eat healthy, drink lots and lots of water, because this is the month where you can actually lose weight. Having lots and lots of oily food and junk food is gonna have a bad effect on your skin. So make sure to have good food, because you are what you eat. So if you put good food inside you, it's gonna show on your skin. You can have one cheat day during this month, once or twice, but that's more than enough. You don't have to overdo anything. Just focus on eating less and praying more, because that's what this month is all about. I hope you all liked today's video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and follow all my social media. I love you all so much. I will see you guys in my next video. So until next time, goodbye.